Hey, it's Travis here, and I'd love to be your weight loss guide. Today's reflection: Amaziah and Uzziah both started strong, but pride made them fall. Their downfall wasn't in how they started, it was in forgetting who got them there. You know, it is said a thing that begins right will end right. You've always got to do the work up front to remind yourself why you're starting this in the first place. What is it that you're trying to get out of this? How do you want your life to change as you're successful, as you hit those benchmarks, your fast track badge, as you get your green belt, your purple belt? So as you're moving up, you've got to always kind of remember where you came from and who you belong to. Anytime there's a spirit of pride, the fall will soon come. Never forget how you started, where you're headed, what it took to get there. Because if you forget who's in this, well, you will fail, or at least have some short-term failure, perceived failure, that is. I don't believe you ever fail unless you quit. But we pick ourselves up, we keep going. Look, does it sound familiar? Like you've lost 10, 20, even 50 pounds or more, but then you drift back to old habits because you think, I got this now. You get a little complacent. You know, when that I got this now voice creeps in, that's when we have to hit our knees and we got to go talk to the Lord and say, I don't got this without you, Lord. Look, that's the spirit of Amaziah, that I got this now. I don't need God. Uzziah was blessed until he forgot the blesser. And when pride gets loud, when you see the pride in a person begin to well up, can't say anything to please them, can't do anything to please them, they always have expectations. Look, when we have that pride, the presence of God will be lifted. When we don't have pride, then his presence will lift us. Here's your weight loss wake up. You don't need just a new diet. You need a daily dependence on the Lord. A lot of people this day and time love to be a rebel, love their independence. I don't know about you, but I depend upon the Lord. Dependent upon the Lord is what allows me to overcome difficulties in my life and not have to depend on the world or its devices anymore. John 14 says, let not your heart be troubled. I go to prepare a place for you. If that place is real, then so is the process. We're not just trying to look better. We're preparing our temple for eternal work. Jesus didn't give us a short-term escape from hell. He gave us permanent salvation. He didn't give us a diet. He gave us himself. I am the way, he said. He is the way to peace. He is the way to power over cravings and deal with our frustrations. He is the way to stop the cycle of emotional eating, self-abuse, shame, and defeat. Only Jesus is the way. He will set you free. And when Jesus sets you free, you're free indeed. Lastly, Psalm 124 reminds us, if it wasn't for God, where would we be? And Proverbs seals it. Just because something feels right doesn't mean it is right. Remember that the next time you're sitting with your family at the El Coyote, you forgot your chips and you want to dig into those chips. Don't get complacent. We do this together so that we can all come together in his name, devote ourselves to him, offer up daily devotions on our heart, talk about temple-friendly meals. This is why we're here. This is real accountability. This is a movement. This is a ministry first and foremost, and I hope you're as proud to be a part of it as I am. May God richly bless you today.